Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? Here we are from group 4. Anggun Nila Puspita and Fauzia will be presenting from chapter 14 about corporation dividend, retained earning, and income reporting. Well, for the begin, I start this presentation. The content and organization of Chapter 14 are as follows. Corporation, dividend, retained earnings, and income reporting. Dividend, cash dividend, stock dividend, and stock splits. Retained earnings, restriction, prior period adjustments, and retained earnings statement. Statement presentation and analysis. Stockholders' equity presentation. Stockholders' equity analysis. Income statement presentation and income statement analysis. And dividend. A dividend is a corporation distribution of cash or stock to its stockholders on a pro rata or proportional to ownership basis. Pro rata means that if you own 10% of the common share, you will receive 10% of the dividend. Dividends can take form cash, property, scrip, or a promissory note to pay cash or stock.
Retained earnings. Retained earnings is net income that a company retains in the business. The balance in retained earnings is part of the stockholders' claim on the total asset of the corporation. It does not, thus, represent a claim on any specific asset, nor can the amount of retained earnings be associated with the balance of any asset account. Retained earning terbagi menjadi tiga, yaitu retained earning restriction. The balance in retained earnings is generally available for dividend declaration. Some companies state this fact. For example, Lockheed Martin Corporation states the following in the notes to its financial statements. Prior period adjustment. Suppose that a corporation has closed its books and issued financial statements. The corporation then discovered that it made a material error in reporting net income of a prior year. Retained earnings statement. The retained earnings statement shows the change in retained earnings during the year. The company prepares the statement from the retained earnings account. Statement presentation and analysis. Stockholders' equity presentation. Note the following. 1. Common stock dividend distributable is shown under capital stock in paid in capital. 2. Not discloses a retained earnings restriction. Stockholders' equity analysis. Investor and analysts can measure profitability from the viewpoint of the common stockholders by the return on common stockholder equity. Income statement presentation. Income statement for corporation are the same as the statement for proprietorship or partnership, except for one thing, the reporting of income taxes. Income statement analysis. The financial press frequently report earnings data. Stockholder and potential investors rarely use the data in evaluating the profitability of a company.